Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check your transactions and how to analyze the different transaction categories on the MoneyCoach app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the MoneyCoach app, and in the app you will have to tap on the reports section. And as you can see, when I open the reports, there are a few report categories that you can only see if you have a premium subscription, where you see these lock icons. But obviously the most of them are available with a free subscription as well. And now we are looking for the transactions by category report, and when you tap on it, it's going to open up, and here you will see all your transactions in these different time periods. I just started using the app in April, so I can only see the April transactions and how it builds up. As you can see on the bottom of the screen, I can see all my expenses, and if I want to see my income, I just tap on the income and I can see all the income shown up on the bottom of the screen. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.